Message. Message. Message.
Yeah, exciting no. So hopefully in God's will. In God's will. This said you can hear, you never heard any background outside, but I heard here there is background anyway. It's not like the my latest videos, my latest vlog. I have latest videos that I rent hotel, guys. It's very nice there because you never heard any background outside. So I asked the management here if the manager your room no any background, and he said yes, no, you cannot hear any background outside. But oh my goodness, when I'm here when I'm here inside of Rome, guys, so I heard the background background outside. I heard any noise outside, so that's not good for me. I am here to stay here for 4 hours, but I'm disappointed because I heard any background outside. I don't like. Because my favorite hotel is no vacancy, no vacant room. So I decided to find another hotel, and I found here, and I asked to the manager here if not noisy, if no any background. But he said, yeah, you cannot hear background outside. But when I'm here now, when I'm already here in inside of the room, guys, oh my goodness, I heard any background outside. Not like my favorite hotel. It's very nice, very very quiet. You never heard any background outside. But the problem is no vacancy, so it's fully booked. I'm sad because it's fully booked, guys. I really like the one hotel, my favorite. Nice, yeah. No, it's nice here, but the problem, you can hear any background outside. That's the problem.
Message.
Not
Message.
not like close. Oh, did you hear the background, guys, outside? Look.
Message.
Look. Oh my goodness, I want to stay here to relax and but it's very noisy outside. I heard any background outside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I want to stay here to relax and but thank you. Thank you